On Tuesday, December the 8th. Got started a little bit late due to a little bit of an internet hiccup, but I think we're all good now. So what we're doing right now is we're going to be doing the half the eBay break that concluded earlier tonight. It's a half case Prizm Basketball Hobby. So we're going to do 6 boxes out of here. And so what we're going to do first, I'll go ahead and show you guys. You can see it's all sealed, all that business. Good product. So what we're going to do is I'm going to switch over to our breaking view. I'm going to open this up. Alright, so we have 2 columns of cards here. We're going to consider these the left and these will be the right. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a random. We're going to do it 5 times to determine which column of cards we're going to do here. You can see we already have it set up. So I'll randomize this 5 times. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go, the left side. So we'll go ahead and just pull these. And the other half will be used for another break down the road. I could do the whole dump it out thing like all the cool kids do, but I'm going to do it old man style. Just pull them out. So there we go. It's all 6. We'll put these over here. Alright, so there we go. We have our 6 over here. Put those right there. And as you can see, the view that we use here is a little bit different. Do a top down, and then we have a camera over here that you can get a close-up of the hits. So let's go ahead and get started. All the cards in this break will ship, base included. I'm only going to put the hits on the dedicated camera. Put the base off to the side here. Any randoms, or excuse me, any multiplayer cards, they will be randomed. It's not a majority ownership. It'll be random with, you know, the appropriate spots given. Anything like a Team USA college card will go to the player's current team. If it's a retired player, it'll go to the team for which they played the most games. So I think that'll cover most of the ins and outs. So let's go ahead and get started. Box 1, first basketball break ever here at PACA. We've done a ton of hockey. Just did football earlier today. Now we're on the hoops. Alright, here we go, guys. Good luck to you. First ever hoops break. You know what? I don't like the way these packs sit. You gotta do it like that. There we go. Like I said, the base will ship. I'm not going to announce the base unless it's a necessity. Here we go, Ruby Refractor, or Prism in this case, 148 out of 350, Michael Finley. It's getting that up to you that fast, Dave. That's good to hear. We have a purple Prism, 67 out of 99 for Detroit, Stanley Johnson. All-Stars, Kyrie Irving. You know what? I gotta do a little bit of work on this camera too, by the way. We have a blue Prism out of 199, the Worm. Let me do one thing with this camera because this should look a lot better than this. I forgot. This camera, for some reason, it makes me adjust its focus manually, like every time I use it. Yeah, the lighting will make it a little difficult. Maybe we'll do this. See how this goes. There we go. That's a little bit better. The light's a little harsh to have on there. Like I was saying to some of the guys earlier, I'm not a big NBA collector, so you'll have to forgive Chris McDonough. You have to forgive a little bit of the slowness with some of the players and names and locations, etc. More of a college basketball fan than I am NBA. Emergent. Here we go. Nemanja Bjelica. We'll give that a shot. And DeMarcus Aldridge, All-Star. So you guys can all have a laugh at my expense for the butchering of names. Here we go. Fireworks for the Clippers, Blake Griffin. All-Stars, Marcus Sol. Just a regular low refractor, Jeremy Grant. Like I said, all the cards will ship. This is what I believe is the Flash Prizm. Dennis Schroeder for the Hawks. All-Stars, Blake Griffin. Another Flash Prizm, Chris Bosh for the Heat. And an All-Star, DeAndre Jordan. There we go, Ruby Refractor, or I keep saying Refractor, Ruby Prizm for the Kings. Darren Collison. Get so used to using the term refractor. I guess technically these are prism. All-Star for the Warriors, Draymond Green. So they won again this evening. They're the one team that I could watch night in, night out. They're fun to watch. Being from Philly, a Sixers fan, it's a little bit tough. Oh, and there we go. You guys can already see what's going on there. Not sure if this is just like the other. This is a little refracted. Auto. Emmanuel Mudiay. If you're gonna get a good auto, that's the man to get, or at least one of the men to get for the Nuggets. Mudiay. Good way to start. And condition-wise, the card looks like it's in pretty good shape. It doesn't look like there's any real issue. And if I remember correctly, I was gonna say, yeah, I thought that you were in the room. Congrats. Team USA, James Harden, now go to Oklahoma. And All-Star Tim Duncan. That specific Mudiay. Look at that. Making dreams come true right here. First we hit that ridiculous card earlier in Triple Threads Football. Now we hit the Moutier. Fireworks, Iguodala. Point Man, Steph Curry. And James Harden All-Star. Well, yeah, if you hit the one card that you're looking for. I know I've tried doing that with some of the stuff I collect. I've actually had to resort to just like buying wax and hoping that I get lucky. Yeah, Zinger, yeah, that would be pretty damn nice. Just taking my time going through these just to make sure, like I said, since I haven't opened this personally myself, I just want to make sure I'm not missing anything of importance here. All right, just some regular rookie cards and whatnot. Nothing numbered, nothing colored. There you go. All right, box number 2. Good first box. Hopefully we can do halfway as decent the second. I don't really like the way that Panini packs these things in here, though. Spin these around. All right, here we go. Box number 2. Emergent Stanley Johnson for the Pistons. All-Star Harden again. Ruby Prizm, Kevin Love. All-Stars, Chris Paul. Blue Prism, Rodney Stuckey, 103 out of 199. And here's our auto, Ben McLemore for the Kings. Team USA, James Harden again. That'll be going out to Oklahoma City. All-Stars, Dirk. Seems like it refracted a little bit more. Wesley Johnson Prism. Flash, Ricky Rubio, and All-Stars, Tony Allen for the Grizz, Rubio for the Timberwolves. Rondae Hollis-Jefferson, regular rookie. I don't know if you guys really want me to like read off every single card that's coming out. Shabazz Napier out of 350, Ruby Prism. I know some guys do, but some guys, no, not yet, Al. I just think it like kind of slows up the break if I'm sitting here reading off base player names. Walter Tavares, Flash for the Hawks, and Kawhi Leonard, All-Star. Steph Curry, MVP. Two autos that have hit were Moutier and Ben McLemore. Fireworks, Dirk, and All-Stars, Tim Duncan. Pull these down here. Starting to stack up a little high. Purple. Purple refractor, 20 out of 99. This is going to Toronto. It is listed as Toronto, even though he's pictured as Indiana. Toronto, Louis Scola. Oh, Flalo refracted. There we go, a little Flash Prism. James Dudley for the Wiz. Ruby. Taron Petaway. 124 out of 350. It's for Atlanta. Point Men, Magic, and All-Stars of Aldridge. That's it for box number 2. Box 3. Box 3. Just all base and regular prisms. Nothing of note yet. There we go. Sean Livingston, Ruby, 39 out of 350 for the Warriors. We have All-Stars Flash, Al Horford. Oh, and All-Star Anthony Davis. Sorry about that. I'm sorry, that's all defensive team. Moutier, yep, Moutier auto. Point Man, Derrick Rose. All-Star, Chris Bosh. And again, all cards do ship. So in case I do happen to go through something here, which I don't think I have, it's just been regular prisms and base, you'll be getting it anyway. Flash, James Worthy for the Lakers. And all defensive team, DeAndre Jordan. We have Ruby All-Star Team, Carmelo Anthony, 302 out of 350. Point man, Steph Curry going to the Warriors. All-Star Team, Pau Gasol. And now we're in the auto stack here. Ruby Rodney Stuckey, Indiana. It is good to see that things aren't dropping in like the same spot all the time. Everything it's kind of scattered throughout. Anthony Davis, All-NBA. Rondae Hollis Jefferson. Let's see, who's Rondae Hollis going to Brooklyn? Take a look at this real quick. Looks pretty good. There's a little bit of the tiniest little bit of lift maybe on the back right corner. Front looks pretty sharp. More. Let me change this up real quick. There we go. All right. Oh yeah, you had Brooklyn as well. My God. Emergent, Sean Vaughn, and All-Star John Wall. Flash AI. All defensive. Bogut. Purple. Scottie Pippen. 36 out of 99. Close, but not quite. If only Body were here, you could enjoy the AI. Fireworks. DeAndre Jordan. All-Star Team, Melo. Box number 4. Around. All right, box 4. Here we go. Ruby Prizm, Lou Williams for the Lakers. Just seems a little different. All defensive team, Tim Duncan. Go ahead and pull these down. Dennis Rodman, auto for the Spurs. Kind of kills the anticipation of the rest of the rest of the box. Now you guys tell me, or have you ever seen boxes with multiple autos in them? Emergent, Miles Turner for Indiana. And All-Star Team, John Wall. Because I've only sparingly watched breaks of Prizm. Point Man, Isaiah. And All-Star Jimmy Butler. Purple Roy Hibbert, 31 of 99. Flash, Mike Conley for Memphis. And second NBA, or second team All-NBA, LaMarcus. This is, I'm not sure what the designation is, but I can tell you it's 6 of 25. All defensive team, Tony Allen for the Grizz. Not sure what the, is that what they're called? Is that what that is? Mojo Prizm? God, I didn't even realize when I looked at the thing. Terry Rozier, Flash. Stephen Curry, first team. I didn't realize that they had made an industry name. That's not good. It looks cool. I mean, it looks just like Spectra. Watched a ton of Spectra and actually bought into a lot of Spectra breaks. Oh, they look nice in person. Fireworks, Tony Parker. All-Star Team, Mello. Flash, Son Whiteside, and All-Star John Wall. Or excuse me, second, I keep saying All-Star, defensive team. Ruby Prizm, Jarrell Martin for Memphis, 141 out of 350. Team USA, Rudy Gay. And All-Star, Chris Bosh. So strange to see Rudy Gay in Kings. Just automatically, at least I always automatically just think Memphis. And last but not least, we have 162 out of 350 CJ Miles Ruby Prizm. Last two. Last two boxes. Good luck. Yeah, this is an eBay break. We had eBay breaks tonight. First two ever. One earlier, Triple Threads Football. This one, a half case of Prizm Hobby Hoops. So we got off to a pretty damn good start. Moutier auto. Been a little bit quiet since then. All right, we got a flash all NBA, Anthony Davis. We're trying to get things going a little bit here, get some more people in the room, hopefully help fill some of the breaks in-house. But we'll continue to, yeah, Rodman, yeah, I mean, to me it seems like a cool auto. I mean, I don't know how the, how the hobby kind of receives his auto, especially his Spurs. I don't imagine you're going to find too many of those with him as in a Spurs uni. Flash Dina Raja. And first team All-NBA, Steph Curry. Yeah, I've seen it with some pretty good autos in Gerald Green for Phoenix. 6 out of 350. In like Goodwin, like a few years back, he actually had a pretty good looking auto. Fireworks, LeBron. All-Star, Chris Paul. Ruby Prizm, Tracy McGrady, 20 out of 350. Got a purple, Norman Powell, numbered 72 out of 99 for Toronto. And second All-NBA, LaMarcus. And we got one of the blue, Kevin McHale, 30 out of 199. We're coming close to jersey numbers all night. Just been like 2 or 3 off. Emergent, Justin Anderson. And All-Star, Russell Westbrook. Robin Lopez, 97 out of 99, purple Prism. Or at least that's what I'm calling it. I don't know what the official color is, but I'm calling it purple. I've made up colors in the past. That's all about the worm tonight. Little flash action. And we got all defensive second team, Jimmy Butler. Fireworks, Kyle Lowry. And all-star team, Kevin Durant. Ruby Prizm, Derrick Rose, 198 out of 350. Kristaps. All NBA defensive team, second team, John Wall. Well, Al, you asked for it. Jahlil Okafor. Easy enough, right? Moutier and Okafor. I'd say we did all right in this in this 6. Take a look at it real quick and see what we got. Yeah, pretty good shape. I would say you will be pleased with that, sir. Very nice. Trey Lyles and Damian Lillard All-Star. So I don't know what we possibly do. I don't know if Al's even here. Al must be, he must have stepped away from the desk, because I imagine that if he was here, he would have said something. So he must be away from his computer right now. Should we not tell him? Let it be a little surprise. Tell him like at the end of the evening. Oh yeah, by the way, you know that Jahlil Okafor you were wanting to get? Yeah. Flash Millsap, All-Star, and All-NBA First Team LeBron. Pull these down. Got blue Chris Bosh, 167 out of 199. Point man, Amare, and Millsap again, All-Star. Marcus, All-Star. Flash, Chase Budinger, and defensive, Tim Duncan. We have a Ruby All-Star, Kyrie Irving, 185 out of 350. Emergent, Laura Tavares, and All-Star Kyrie Irving. Evan Fournier, 303 out of 350 for Orlando. And here we go, last stack, guys. Good luck. Probably do another one of these in the upcoming days, I have a feeling. Marcus Cousins, second team All-NBA. Have to consider doing another one of these for the Hoops guys. And Jerry and Grant for the Knicks. Pretty good condition. No real issues seen there. Emergent, Frank Kaminsky, and All-Star, LaMarcus Aldridge. Whoever has Portland's going to be tired of seeing that card. I think we've hit like 6 or 7 of them, it seems. MVP, Steph Curry. Flash, Nerlens Noel. And first All-NBA, James Harden. Fireworks, DeAndre Jordan. And All-Star, Marc Gasol. Last 2 packs. Flash. Alright. No, this looks like more like Mojo of some sort. 12 out of 25. Wow, I didn't realize that these are that short printed. Kyle Lowry for Toronto. And finally, Ruby Prizm, Nerlens Noel, 160 out of 350. So that is going to do it, guys. I appreciate everyone supporting me, seeing how it's my first eBay breaks, and a lot of you don't know who I am. Appreciate the business. Hopefully we'll see you around sometime soon. I'll be doing more eBay breaks. You can check us out also at breakers.tv/PACA Cards, PACA Cards Store, Twitter and Instagram, PACACardStore.com. So again, thanks a lot, everybody. I definitely appreciate it. Giving a new guy a shot. Hopefully we did well for most people. We hit some pretty good cards. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.